Hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 6 and this is part 2 of the video. So let's begin.
Check Rashi's subtraction using addition. Give her a tick for every right answer. Okay, so here in this question what we have to do, there is a girl Rashi who has done subtraction. She has done subtraction, so now we have to check her subtraction using addition. Okay, like here it is given 384 minus 243. Answer is 141. So this subtraction is done by Rashi. Okay, so 384 minus 243 is equals to 141. This subtraction is done by Rashi. Now how they have checked it? They have checked it using addition. What they have done, first they have written the answer. Okay, answer is 141, so they have written 141 here. Then they have added 243 in it. Okay, they have added second row. That was the second row in the subtraction. Okay, 243. So the answer which came was 384. Okay, so the answer was 384 and the first row of the Rashi was 384. So yes, the answer is correct. Okay, answer is correct. Answer is coming the same as the first row, 384. So we have tick here because this answer is correct. Similarly, we have to do all these questions. So I will tell you one question here. I'll give you one example. I'll solve one of the question. Then other two questions you will do yourself. Okay. So let's see how we will do this question.
So the question is, check Rashi's subtraction using addition. So here the question is given to us is we have to check the Rashi's subtraction using the addition. Okay, so how we will do this question? See, 468 minus 139 is 221. This is given to us. Okay, this is what given to us in a book. So now we have to tell whether this subtraction is correct or not. Okay, so to check this out, what we will do, we will use addition. Okay, we will use addition. Subtraction is already given in our book, and to check the answer of the subtraction, whether it is correct or not, we will use addition. So how we will use addition? What we will do, we will write the answer first, that is 221. We will write the answer first, then in this answer we will add this second one. Okay, we will add this one, 139. Right? We have written the answer here and we have written this 139 here. Now we will add them. Okay, now we will add them. So when we will add them, if the answer will come equals to 468. If answer will come 468, then it will be correct. But if answer will not come 468, then it will be wrong. Okay, this box is given to you. This box is given to you below this. So you will either tick here or you will cross here. If the answer will come exact this, then you will tick here. If the answer will not come this, then you will cross it. So let's see. We will add 221 and 139. So 1 plus 9 is your 10. We will write 0 here. 1 plus 9 is 10. We will write 0 here and 1 is in carry. Okay, 1 is in carry. So now 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is your 5. 2 plus 3 is your 5 and 5 plus 1. 1 is in carry, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5 and 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 6 and 2 plus 1 is your 3. 2 plus 1 is your 3. So the answer is 360. So is it coming equal to 468? No, it is not. So it means the subtraction is wrong. Rashi has done the wrong subtraction here. Okay, so we will cross it. We will cross it because by adding we are getting the answer 360, but Rashi has done subtraction, so the subtraction is wrong. Okay.
Fill in the missing numbers in the colored boxes. So here in exercise 7, we have to fill the numbers in the missing boxes. Okay, so here some of the colored boxes are given to us. Okay, they are colored as blue. So these are the missing numbers. So here we have to fill the numbers, okay, in this blank. So how we will fill this number? We will solve these sums, okay, the sums that are given to us, the sums and the subtraction, we will solve them and then we will fill the missing number. So here also I will tell you 2 of the questions and the rest 2 questions you will do yourself in this book only, okay. So the above questions also and this question also you have to do in the book only, okay. So let's see how we will do this question.
Question is, fill in the missing number. So here in this question we have to fill the number that are missing. Okay, we can see here some of the boxes. Okay, so in these boxes we will fill in the numbers. So some of the digits of the questions and some of the digits of the answers has been given to us. Okay, some of the digits from the question and answers have been given to us and we have to find the blanks. Okay, we have to fill in this missing number. So how we will do this? See, this is 78 minus 3 and there is a blank, then we have been given a blank here and this is 5. So to fill this blank, what we will do, we will minus 5 from it. Okay, we will minus 5 from it. Why we will minus 5 from it? When we will subtract it, then we will know that what will come here. Okay, then we will know that what will come here. That will be the answer. 8 minus 5 is your, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from 8 we have to minus 5. So we will minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we have minus 5. So how many left? 1, 2 and 3. 3 is left. So 8 minus 5 is your 3. So we will fill 3 here. Okay, and now if you will check the answer, then 8 minus 3 will be your 5. Okay, 8 minus 3 is your 5. So this is correct. Okay, so this is how you will do this. First, if the answer is given and minus is written here, so you will do 8 minus 5, and when you will minus it, the answer will come 3. Okay, and when answer is already, when we have got the answer, then what you will do? 8 minus the answer. Okay, 8 minus 3, then it is 5. So it is correct. Okay, this is how you recheck it. Next is 7 minus 3. This is simple as we do subtraction. This is directly subtraction. 7 minus 3 is your 4. 7 minus 3 is your 4. So we will write 4 here. Okay. So this is how we will fill the blanks. Similarly, in this question also we will do the same. What we will do? See, here we have to fill the blank here. Okay, we have to fill the blank here. What we will do? We will plus them. We will add them. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is your 9. Okay, so 9 will come here. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 will come here. And now here, let's see. 1, this is blank and this is 3. Okay, 1, blank, 3. So 1 is a smaller number. Okay, 1 is a smaller number. We can't subtract anything from 1 and then we will get 3. No, this can't be happen. Okay, because 1 is a very small number. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 from here. We will borrow 1 from here. So this will become 1 and this will become 11. Okay, so now we can minus something from 11, that it will come 3. Okay, now we can minus something from 11, that it will come 3. So let's see what we will minus. What we will do? We will minus 11. We will do 11 minus 3. Okay, 11 minus 3. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is 11. We have to minus 3 from it. So let's minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, now how much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is left. Okay, so 11 minus 3 is your 8. We will write 8 here. Okay. And one more thing, when we have to find the missing number in the first line, what we will do, we will add this number and this number. Okay, when we have to find the blank in the first row, what we will do? We will add this and this. But when we have to find, when we have been given this number and we have to find the second one or the third one, we will directly minus. We will minus. Okay, this is a trick. You will, when you have to find the number, the digit in the first row, you will add these. You will add the other two. Okay, but when you have to find this number or digit from in here, when you have to find digits in both this row, what you will do? You will minus it from the first one. Okay. Similarly, now, what will come here? 1 minus 1 is your 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 is your 0. So, the answer is 32. Okay, so this is how we do these questions.
Next is let's deliver letters. Postman uncle is ill today. Let's deliver the letters from him. So here a table has been given to us from in which numbers are starting from 431 and ending at 490. Okay, so here a table is given to us from 431 to 490. Write the correct room numbers on the letters. Then find the rooms in the above building and circle them. So we have to write the correct room numbers on the letters, and then we have to find the rooms above in the building and we have to circle them. Okay, like here example is given 445 plus 10. So 445 plus 10 is your 455. So room is 455. So here it is written, make a circle on room 455. So now we have done the sum of 455. So you will circle the number 455 in that table. Okay, in the above table. Similarly, other question is given 456 minus 20 and the answer is 436. So here you will circle 436 in the above table. Okay, similarly you have to solve all these questions and one by one you will circle the numbers that come your answers. Okay, that come in your answers. So I will show you 3 questions how to do that, and rest of the questions you will do in your book only as a practice. Okay, for practice you will do them in your book. I will show you 3 different types of question how you have to do them. Then you can do it on your own. So let's see.
Now the question is write correct room number. So what we have to do here, we have to find the correct room number. Okay, in your book some of the questions are given. Okay, some of the problems are given like this, either addition or subtraction. Okay, either addition or subtraction. It can be 2-digit addition or 3 digits addition. Okay, so different types of sums and subtractions are given in your book. So what you will do, you will solve them and you will circle the number that is given in the table. Okay, so let's see, you will find the answer, and what the answer will come, you will circle that number that is given in your book. Okay, that is given in the table in your book. So let's first do the first sum. This is plus 467 plus 11. We have to do 467 plus 11. So addition is very easy. We have learned this in previous chapters also. So 7 plus 1 is your 8. 7 plus 1 is your 8. 6 plus 1 is your 7. 6 plus 1 is your 7. And this is 4. There is nothing below 4. So 4 will come like this only. This will become 478. So 467 plus 11 is your 478. Okay. So now next question. So what you will do here, we have found the answer 478. You will circle 478 in the table that is given in your book. Okay, you will circle the number 478 in the table that is given in your book. So now next is we have to minus. We have to subtract. 415 minus 19. Okay, we have to subtract 19 from 450. So let's see the ones place first. 0 minus 9. Can you minus 9 from 0? No, we can't. Why? Because 0 is a smaller number and 9 is a bigger number. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from 5. Okay, we will borrow 1 from 5. So 5 will become 4 and the 0 will become 10. Correct? So now we will minus it. Yes, 10 minus 9. We can minus now. Okay. So 10 minus 9 is your 1. 10 minus 9 is your 1. Then 4 minus 1. Here we have borrowed 1 here. So 5 has become now 4. So we will do 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is your 3. Okay. 10 minus 9, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Then this 4. There is nothing below 4. So 4 will come like this. Okay. So this is the answer is 431. So 450 minus 19 is 431. So what you will do? You will circle 431 in the table in your book. Okay. We have solved this sum. So answer is 431. Now you will circle 431 also in that table. Okay. Now similarly we have to do the third question also. Okay. Here we have to do three row sum. Okay. Here you have to do 3 row sum. So let's see, 0 plus 0 is your 0. First we will do 2 numbers. We will add 2 numbers. Then what the answer will come, we will add that answer from the third number. Okay. 0 plus 0 is your 0. Okay. So 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is your 3. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. And 0 plus 3, 3. Right. Then in tens digit, let's see. 3 plus 2, we will first do 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 is your 5. 3 is here, we have to add 2. Then 4, 5. Okay, then this is 5. 5 and plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So this will be 6. Correct? 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 plus 1, 6. Now 4. This is 4. And there is nothing below 4. So 4 will come like this. Okay, we will write 4 here. So 430 plus 20 plus 13, answer is 463. Okay, answer is 463. So you will circle 463 in the table that is given in your book. Okay, you have to circle 463 also in that table. So this is how you will solve these questions and you have to circle all the answers in that table. Okay. So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.